How to make a treble crochet. When you've finished your row like this, chain 2 stitches for the turning chain. Turn your work and then yarn over twice. Wrap the yarn around your hook 2 times and insert it into the last stitch of the previous row. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops left. Yarn over one last time and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook, pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Then pull through the next 2 loops, and finally through the last 2 loops. Altogether, you'll pull the yarn through the loops 3 times. Yarn over twice. Insert, pull up a loop, pull through the first 2 loops, then through the next 2 loops, and finally through the last 2 loops. And that's how you make a treble crochet.